Right, believe it or not, I'm actually getting somewhere. The red MGF is now my little runabout. That's out on the road. The Spitfire's moved. That's over and stands there. The yellow one is now on its side down there. And we're now watertight. So this area now has now got a roof on and we've got lighting. As I say, the red one's gone out, and in its place is a silver one. Now I went up to Newcastle to pick this up, or near Newcastle, Peterlee. The guy said it failed its MOT and it had failed on a couple of holes in the sill. I thought, right, fair enough. So I went up there, got myself a towing dolly, so I'm set up now for going picking cars up, as you see there. Here. So went all the way up from Manchester, all the way up there, and where are we? There we are. There's the hole in the sill. I wasn't expecting that. And it is the same on both sides. I thought, well, it's not too bad. So it's like repair both rear wings, and then when I looked at the front wings, they were a different colour. Started getting into it, and if we get round the other side, just get the hand lamp, just walk us round. So I took the wings off, had a look round it, pretty corroded. And then I looked at the subframe. It had already been plated, and then as I started off, a little tap with an hammer, and boom, it went in. So I think to myself then, what do I do? Break it for parts, and that's what they've all been doing. I don't like it, so I have decided to put 2 new subframes on, repair the wings and spray the panels and see what it turns out like. So without further ado, I'm going to crash on with taking the front suspension off, which I've already started doing there, draining off. So with a bit more progress, I'll come back to you. Bye for now.